What is the distinction between Shopify and Shopify POS? Do you want to open an online store but don't know which platform to use? Today, we'll compare Shopify with Shopify POS so you can make an informed selection. Alternatively, you may contact a Shopify POS professional by using the link provided below. Shopify is a comprehensive e-commerce platform that allows anybody to create an online store quickly, effortlessly, and inexpensively. It has features like changeable themes, analytics tools, and interaction with other programs. Customers may use Shopify to purchase things from all across the world in their favorite currency. Shopify POS, on the other hand, expands these services into the physical environment. It supplies companies with an iPad or Android tablet device to replace their traditional cash register. This enables them to handle credit cards and store inventories in real time. Additionally, Shopify POS simplifies order management by allowing consumers to pay for products at checkout and receive order confirmations immediately from the app. One of the key distinctions between Shopify and Shopify POS is that the latter is exclusively available to retail establishments. While both platforms offer many payment methods such as PayPal, Stripe, and Apple Pay, only physical establishments may use Square payments and accept gift cards through their POS system. Furthermore, while both platforms enable loyalty programs, only retailers utilizing Shopify POS can offer consumers awards based on purchase history, as well as discounts for products purchased in big quantities or at specific times of day or year. Furthermore, unlike its competitor Wix stores, which offers restricted product customization possibilities, Shopify Storefront enables various product versions, allowing merchants to vary their goods in response to client demand with no effort. Furthermore, it has APIs for deeper interfaces with additional programs like as accounting software QuickBooks and marketing automation tool MailChimp. Finally, if you're searching for an industry-leading digital commerce solution, go no further than Shopify. If you run a real store and want complex point-of-sale features, however, it makes sense to go with the more advanced solution, Shopify POS. Click the link below to chat with a Shopify POS professional.